really showed you what the cherry pie looked like, but now it's practically gonna be gone right now after today, so this is what it looked like. Oh yeah, that's from like the other pie because we put the same pie, so yeah, it's very delicious. I'll show you the chocolate pie later because there's still like half of it left. Ready, you guys? What will we get? Yeah, it's been like almost an hour and we already have this much. And this is never going to end until like so now I'm showing you guys the other pie. We still have half of it left, but after I take some slice, and as you can see, this is what the pie looks like: peanut butter, chocolate, and cream, and Reese's peanut butter cups. Somebody plucked this one out. There was one right here. And look at the sauce. Trust me, this is like delicious. Oh my god, so much better now. It's cold. First time though. Now I wish it was not cold. Peace. Okay, let's see what the ground looks like right now. White.